Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a good day. So as you guys know, Monday in Enugu is sit at home, and to crown the matter again, hey, there's a curfew in Enugu right now. So we don't just sit at home on Monday, but every day there's a curfew from 6 p.m. till I think 5 a.m. because of the insecurity that is happening around. Sorry guys, if this is your first time of seeing me, my name is Sikari and I do all things lifestyle on this channel. And what else? So today I just have a few things to do. For instance, I'll be washing at the same time because I've not really been myself for some days. Will you believe that I soaked this towel for close to 5 days? This towel has been soaked in the water for close to 5 days. I just hope it's not smelling because there's hypo inside and there's also powder detergent. So because of that, the hypo will not allow it to smell too bad. So I don't want this video to be long. We're going to be so fast about this. And guess what? I'm not the only one washing. My sister-in-law is washing. You can see the rope is already getting filled up. But it's a good thing that this is not the only place that we can actually dry our clothes. My uncle's house, which is this gate, I just have to open this gate and go to the other side and dry my clothes. I have to hurry up because her own might finish before mine. But I thank God that mine is not much, you see. So it's only the bedsheet that actually makes it look as if it's much. So guys, let's get right into the video. Oh, what the heck? So I'll be soaking. I don't have time to segment colors by color. I'm going to be soaking it. Okay, apart from some Ankara here, because detergent usually takes colored clothes. Usually wash some colored clothes. So I'll not be adding the Ankaras. I'll just add like the everyday clothes that I wear. Bed sheet is going under. You guys know I told you that I and my mother bought 6 sets of wrapper and then we divided it into 2. This is a wrapper. It's beautiful, right? This wrapper, because I soaked my towel, it was dirty. I decided to tie it and go have my bath, and then I forgot to dry it. Man, the stench that is coming out from this thing, I feel like throwing up. I just hope it doesn't wash inside this. So every going in here. This is an old sweater of mine that I gave to my mom, and I collected it back again because I don't have anyone here and I'm yet to buy one. You know, that day I was catching cold, I had to use it, so I need to wash it thoroughly. But that doesn't mean that I've collected it back from my mom. It still has. I just borrowed it. You know, after soaking the clothes now, I've not eaten today and this is like past 2 already. So I actually bought this Pepsi for DIY, but I'm going to use it to enjoy this my jollof rice that my mom made for us to eat this afternoon. So I just wanted to show you what I'm eating. So these two combined together. You know, so yeah, open it.
Okay.
We're not doing now.
Where's she?
Is this drink for you or for Victor? Oh, it's okay.
I'm you. What make Victor say?
That I carry a cup. If you see a cup, you go to say that I own now.
Nah, my taste different. And because hungry, what me over?
You know, when you're hungry, everything will be tasting nice. So do you know that wrapper, that gown that you sew, boo gown, that is like sky blue? I was saying that this wrapper is fine. This wrapper is fine. You were hanging the gown outside.
Auntie.
Huh?
Auntie.
Victoria. Eh? No, not orange. I don't think it's orange. It's somehow want to be like, but it's not like this color. But it has small design like comb on the body or drum. Maybe the person has not done it. Say you're going to shop on Tuesday, Mommy. See what I wrote. Bring those two bottles for me. Bring those two bottles. Yeah. These are the big pockets. I think you can drop out of them. Probably something. You go and shoot those things from the road. I'm coming to pass them. Shoot anything that is on the road. So guys, I'm done with my laundry, so I'm going to have my bath and then do my facials.